Hello everyone, welcome back to Mixie Trixie's healthy and delicious recipes. I'm excited to share with you a delicious and nutritious recipe that is Healthy Jackfruit Seed Fry. Did you know that jackfruit seeds are not only edible but also packed with essential nutrients? They are a great source of protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. So instead of discarding them, let's make a mouth-watering dish out of these nutritious seeds. In this recipe, we will show you how to prepare a flavorful and crispy jackfruit seed fry that will leave you wanting more. We will start by boiling the seeds until they become tender. Then we will season them with a blend of aromatic spices and herbs. For this, heat the pan with 1 tablespoon cooking oil, then add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, then 1 tablespoon of chili powder and salt. Then add boiled jackfruit seeds. Saute the boiled jackfruit seeds until they are lightly brown, about 2 minutes. Finally, sprinkle chaat masala and mix well. Now the brown and crispy healthy jackfruit seed fry recipe is ready to serve. Not only is this recipe incredibly delicious, but it's also a great way to reduce food waste and make the most out of the jackfruit. Whether you are a vegan, vegetarian, or simply looking for a healthy snack option, this jackfruit seed fry is perfect for you. So join us in the kitchen and let's get cooking. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest recipes. Also, feel free to leave us any comments or questions you may have about this recipe. Thank you for watching and we hope you enjoy this healthy jackfruit seed fry recipe.